Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix "This app is not available in your country or region" in iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a common issue, but the good news is there are a few simple ways to fix it. First, you can change your Apple ID country or region. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. From there, select Media and Purchases, and then tap View Account. Next, tap on Country or Region. Now, select a country where the app is available, review and agree to the terms and conditions, and update your payment method if required. Once this is done, open the App Store and try downloading the app again. The second method is using a VPN. Download a reliable VPN app from the App Store and open it. Connect to a server in the country or region where the app is available. After connecting, restart your iPhone. Once your phone turns back on, open the App Store, search for the app, and try downloading it normally. In many cases, this method works instantly. The third option is to use a secondary Apple ID. You can create a new Apple ID specifically for the country or region where the app is available. After creating the new Apple ID, go to Settings, sign out of your current Apple ID, and then sign in with the new one. Once signed in, open the App Store and download the app. After the app is installed, you can switch back to your original Apple ID if you want. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix "This app is not available in your country or region" in iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.